Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this scrunchie. Ito ay napakadali lang gawin. I have designed this one. Ang ginamit ko is yung elastic or sa Pilipinas kilala sa tawag na garter. Yung ginagamit talaga natin for making scrunchies. So for those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get updated with my new videos. So, ang gagamitin ko pong yarn for this project is yung Polycotton Yarn na combination ng polyester and cotton. It has 4 strands and ang gusto ko dito is makintab siya at mas malambot. Now, I'm using 3.25mm crochet hook. Also, you need scissors, yarn needles, and yung garter. So, kung wala kayo nung elastic na black na pang or hair tie, you can use this one instead. You can stick it using this multi-purpose glue or pwede mo rin naman tahiin para mas secure siya. To start this project, first we're gonna make a slip knot and then we're going to chain 70. After chaining 70, of course, slip stitch to form a ring, and it shouldn't be twisted. And then we're gonna chain 2, which will count as 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch and to every stitch around. Once you get back around, we're going to make a slip stitch on top of the second beginning chain or yung tinatawag natin first DC natin, which is chain 2. So, ulitin lang natin to up to round 3. So, we're gonna chain 2, which will count as 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 double crochet into every stitch around. And ang dapat na stitches pa rin natin ay a total of 70. After na natin matapos yan, insert na natin yung elastic or yung garter natin na natahi na. At both edges ay i-join natin. So, dapat parallel siya doon sa stitch below, which is the chain 3. Dapat pantay sila para hindi lopsided yung project natin. So, we're gonna chain 3 and this time it will count as 1 double crochet, and then into the same stitch pa rin we're gonna add 2 more. So ito yung magki-create ng ruffles. So into every stitch we're going to work 3 double crochets. So to end the round, we're gonna work a slip stitch on top of the third beginning chain, or yung tinatawag nating first DC natin. So our round 4 is done. So we're gonna work one more round. Ito yung pinaka-final round. And hindi na tayo mag-i-increase because okay na yung ruffles natin. So this time we're gonna chain 3 or chain 2, which will count as 1 double crochet. And then into the next stitch, we're gonna work 1 double crochet. So in this final round, there should be 1 double crochet into every stitch around. Once we get back around, we're gonna work a slip stitch on top of the second beginning chain, or yung top ng first DC natin, which is chain 2. And then we're gonna chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. And then of course, weave in the ends. And I also have made a few scrunchies. Ito naman special to because I have used the local Polycotton yarns kasi mas softer siya. But you can use whatever yarn that you have available in your home. So you can also make these kinds of scrunchies in different kinds of yarns. These ones are made of 100% acrylic. Ito naman ay tinatawag nilang lanolin yarn. So nabili ko din siya sa Hanger Market. The color is teal. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo may pagka stiff ng konti compared sa polycotton. Mas flowy siya and mas softer. And this one naman medyo palaban ng konti. But of course, pag nabasa yung acrylic kasi after a few minutes, mas madali siyang matuyo kaysa sa cotton. But anyways, ang kagandahan din sa acrylic is hindi siya masyadong mag-fade ng color kahit na aarawan siya after mong malabhan. So, ang maganda sa mga scrunchies na to, katulad ng regular scrunchies na tinahe na tela ang gamit, is washable din naman siya. And of course, you don't need a hair tie. Garter ang ginamit ko dito, or yung elastic na regular. And then, single pull lang ang ginamit ko when you use lanolin. So, ganito siya. Ang gamit kong hook dito is 3.25 mm. This one naman is Indophil 4-ply yarn, and I have used 3 mm hook. Maganda rin siya for making scrunchie. And I have used 2 colors in this one too, the same as the other one. So again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe and follow me in all my social medias. Thank you.